Here in Negros, we have an organization named NOWRA, which stands for Negros Occidental Women Religious Association. This group of religious sisters from the different congregations, impelled by the line of Jesus, "Whatsoever you do to the least of my brothers, that you do unto me," gather themselves together to respond once again to the needs of our brothers and sisters in the south who were badly hit by the typhoon Odette, and this time at Barangay Maricalum, Sipalay. We call it synodality in action and synergy, that despite the responsibilities the sisters have in each of their communities, and they themselves have nothing on their own, they were able to share little as it may to those who are in need. They see it as divine providence and divine will that they were able to gather in a short period of time through the contributions of the different congregations, friends, and kind-hearted people, packs for some 350 households and a little more extra goods for the parish, and some amount to help build destroyed houses. The transportation, the logistics, the people who helped were all provided by Him, and to Him be the credit.
Promagi kumayo sa Odette kay pagka alauna sa gabi waay nakakas ng amon mga atop. Di nagpuli ko kay sa piyak na kun balay nga nagtransfer nakakas man ang sa piyak sa may baybay man nga atop nakakas man ti waay puro gid basa hindi ka kasulod kay puro basa ti nakulbaan ka na kun may lodohot na naagyan mo ti bisan ano mo man ka ano kay mga bata gagmay kakas na wala gid ato tungko na lang gid ko saka hadlok
din kami malaya mabakwet kay sa babaw kami ang kulba lang amon basi bala ang pangamaligid sa amon ang pagina ang maanuan sa amon ti wala kami nagkuha kay ang nakadulukan naman ang kahoy mong kay lapit kami sa mga kahoyan ang nakadulukan naman wala kami nagkuha sa mga panimalay bala makakas ang ato importante buhi kami.
So grabe ang kulba.
Grabe naging kulba ko kay may mga bata ko nga gagmay.
Grabe nervyos na ako mamaya. Ang bata ko panaguan akong sa sako. Na may ulod ng mga lapat. Pero wala na ano amon maday. Amon lubi halos maubos. Amon dryer kag amon kanang ano ni gani. Ano ba sa baboy tangkal ubos gid siya. Amo to nga gipag-abrihan naman tan ang bintana, tahan. Ang mga santos naman ara sa bintana. Oo. Ang mga santos naman ara taman sa bintana. Tapos kami nagwa mag-asawa. Gikuuban namon ang mga baboy. Ma'am, kaya kami kapangabuyan mo ang lubi. Basta ginagbanag-banag. Pero ang nervyos na kuman, naamon na nabatyagan mo.
Amay, tulangin ang bagyo, hasta magadlaw. Amay, adulangin ni hasta magadlaw. Amay, patawara ako kung sa gayon ako nakasala, napulong, kabuhan, nuna, sunusto manugas. Amen.
Wow! Thank you. The NOWRA sisters and their lay partners, as God's instruments, not just gave out goods but also gave themselves by being with the people and listening to their experiences and how they are coping. Above all, they shared our Lord, the divine healer, to all those who need Him to help heal in their traumas and relief from their sufferings. It was a delight for the team also to let the people understand and feel that God's love is always there, despite everything. The Lord has not abandoned them and is continually walking, guiding, providing for all. On the other hand, the sisters with their lay partners went home happy, not because they were able to give, but because they were enriched even more. The stories of faith, The people shared the happy and grateful faces of the children and the folks of Sipalay. The many responsible youths, in particular that of the parish of Sipalay, the fatherly concern and facilitation of Father Magic with his assistant Father Freddy. This and more had given them more vigor and cause for joy, that indeed our world is still full of hope and is still beautiful, that is worthy of the blood and the love of God. Mahiwaga ang buhay ng tao, ang bukas ay di natin tiyo, kaya't manalig lagi sana tayo. Ang Diyos, siyang pag-asa ng mundo, pag-ibig sa ating kapwa-tao, at laging magmahalan tayo. Yan ang lunas at ligaya at pag-asa ng bawat kaluluwa. Mahiwaga ang buhay ng tao, ang bukas ay di natin tiyo, kaya't manalig lagi sana tayo. Ang Diyos, siyang pag-asa ng mundo, pag-ibig sa ating kapwa-tao, at laging magmahalan